Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Honda Jazz versus Suzuki Swift. Focus on ride comfort, interior practicality, fuel economy, and ownership costs to decide which suits you. I'll walk through driving impressions, passenger space, cargo flexibility, and running costs in clear, friendly terms. Stay tuned for quick tips on test drives and what to check in used examples so you can make a confident, practical choice without confusion. Both cabins have distinct personalities, and I'll explain what matters most for daily life and longer trips. The Jazz emphasizes clever storage and flexible seating that helps with groceries, bikes, or taller items. The Swift focuses on a driver-centric layout that makes commuting and winding roads more enjoyable. I'll compare cargo volumes, rear legroom, and visibility in plain language so you know which interior suits your routine and priorities. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more comparisons. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that keep sauces sealed and fit neatly in the boot, perfect after grocery runs or picnics. I find them oddly satisfying when organizing car trips and daily lunches. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Think about how you drive day to day when weighing performance and costs. The Swift usually rewards enthusiastic driving with nimble handling and quick responses, while the Jazz aims for comfort and easy urban maneuvering. I'll cover typical fuel figures, maintenance expectations, and insurance considerations so you can estimate monthly costs. That context makes it easier to weigh initial price against long-term ownership and find the best match for you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.